And next topic is complements. Complements are classified into two types. First one is R's complement and second one is the R minus 1's complement. Here R's complement, R is indicates the radix. Radix is denoted by small r. Okay, here R's complement and R minus 1's complement. Okay, here first R's complement is radix. In number system, the binary number system is that radix is 2 and octal that radix is 8 and decimal that radix is 10 and hexadecimal that radix is 16. These are the R's complement. This is the 2's complement and this is the 8's complement and this is the 10's complement and this is the 16's complement. These are the R's complement. Coming to the R minus 1's complement, here R is the radix, that is in binary 2's complement. This is 2 minus 1. This is the 1's complement and this is the 8 octal. Radix is 8. 8 minus 1. That is, this is the 7's complement and this is the 10's complement. This is radix is 10. 10 minus 1. This is the 9's complement and this is the 16's complement. 16 minus 1. Finally, this is the 15's complement. Okay, and these are the complements. First one, the R's complements are 2's complement, 8's complement, 10's complement and 16's complement. And next R minus 1's complements are 1's complement, 7's complement, 9's complement and 15's complements. Okay, R's complements are even complements and R minus 1's complement are odd complements. Finally, R's complement, what is the formula? 2 power of n minus capital N. Sorry, this is R power of n minus n. Here R is the radix, small r indicates the radix and small n indicates the number of bits and capital N indicates the given number. And next R minus 1's complement. This formula is R power of small n minus capital N minus 1. This is here R power of n minus n. This is the R's complement. Formula is R minus 1's complement. Okay, these are this is the R's complement formula and this is the R minus 1's complement formula. Let us see the one example. One example is complement of 7. This is the 10's complement. Okay, here 10's complement, what is the formula? R to the power of small n minus n. This is the R's complement. This is the R's complement. Okay, here R's complement is R's complement equal to R to the power of small n capital minus capital N. Here small n indicates the number of bits. Here number of bits are only 7, that is 1, and small r indicates the radix. Here radix is 10 and capital N is the given number, that is 7. Substitute the formula 10's complement, that is R is 10 to the power of 1 minus capital N is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. This is the R's complement. Okay. And next problem is complement of 5690. This is the tens complement. Okay, here small r equal to radix is 10 and small n equal to number of bits 1 2 3 4 bits, and given number is capital N 5690. This is also r's complement. What is formula? R to the power of minus n capital N. Here small r indicates the 10 to the power of 4 minus capital N is 5690. Okay, 10 power of 4 is 10,000 minus 5690. Then finally 10,000 minus 5690 is 4310. Okay, this is the r's complement. And next problem is complement of 9 base 10. This one also tens complement. Tens complement is tens complement. This is r's complement. What is the formula? R to the power of small n capital N. Here small r indicates the radix. Given radix is 10 and small n indicates the number of bits 1 and capital N is the given number. Substitute r's tens complement is r is 10, 10 power of 1 minus 9. Okay, 10 minus 1. Sorry, 10 minus 9 is 1. This is the complement of tens complement. Okay, and next problem is sevens complement of octal number. This is the octal number, that is 5674. 5674 is the octal number. Okay, then find out the sevens complement. Here number of bits are 1 2 3 4. Okay, next write down the 4 sevens minus given number, that is the 5674. Subtract this one, complement is 2103. This is the sevens complement. Okay, next find out the eights complement. Also eights complement. What is eights complement? Sevens complement plus 1. In given problem, the sevens complement is 2103. Then add plus 1. So this is 2104. This is the eights complement. Okay, this is the sevens complement. This is the sevens complement and this one is the eights complement. Okay, this next find out the 15th complement of A9B. This is the 16. Okay, 16 decimal number. Okay, here first find out the 15th complement. Here the given number is A9B. Okay, 15th. First we change the 15th complement. Here 3 bits 15, 15, 15. Okay, given number is A decimal number is 10. So 10 and 9 and B is 11. Okay, then subtract 15 minus 11, that is 4, and 15 minus 9, that is 6, and 15 minus 10 is 5. Okay, 564 is the 15th complement. 15th complement. Then find out the 16th complement. 16th complement is written as 15th complement plus 1. 15th complement plus 1. Here 15th complement is 564 plus 1. That is the 565 is the 16th complement. Okay. 16th complement, this one, and this one is the 15th complement. And this is the 564 is the 15th complement and this one is the 16th complement. Okay.